Hey, so if you want to use ClickUp's AI features in 2026 to save time and boost productivity, this guide will walk you step by step on how to use them effectively for tasks, documents, and projects. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Log in using your email address and password. Once inside your workspace, you'll see the dashboard, which is your hub for tasks, docs, and team collaboration. Start by exploring the AI tools in ClickUp. You can access AI for task management, content creation, and automation. For example, AI can help you draft task descriptions, summarize long documents, or suggest priorities for your to-do list. Next, try AI for meeting notes or document generation. You can paste notes or project details, and AI will create structured summaries or action items. This reduces manual work and helps you focus on decision making instead of formatting or summarizing content. AI can also assist with brainstorming ideas. Whether it's project plans, marketing campaigns, or blog content, ClickUp AI generates suggestions you can refine and implement quickly. This saves hours that would normally be spent on research or drafting. For task management, AI can suggest due dates, assign priorities, or even recommend next steps based on your workflow. Using these AI suggestions can speed up planning and reduce mistakes in task assignment. Combine AI with ClickUp automations for maximum efficiency. For instance, after AI creates tasks or summaries, automations can move them through workflows or notify your team automatically. This keeps everything organized and reduces repetitive work. Finally, review AI outputs carefully. While AI saves time, double-check details, assign tasks properly, and adjust suggestions to fit your team's needs. Proper use ensures you get accurate and actionable results. And that's basically it. By using ClickUp AI for tasks, docs, brainstorming, and workflow suggestions, you can boost productivity and make project management faster and smarter. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.